Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tips and Creativity. This is a tutorial on how to remove the background from text. Like we can see on screen here, we've got a black background. But if we were to render that out and then try and use it in a video or in OBS, like you can see in the top right of the screen, now you can see text changing, but it's got no background. If we were to just render this now, it would have the black background. So how do we render this off without it having a background so we can use it in other projects or other places such as OBS, which is where I'm using it now, where you can see the writing changing at the top, like a little mini video that's got no background using text that's just saying TTC etc, which is this here playing now on screen. So if I was just to try to render that now, it will just come out in a black background. So what I'm going to do is show you the little trick on what it is that we've got to do to get this to change into having no background, and it's basically in the settings. I'll show you quick time. This second one here, GoPro Cine Form. GoPro Cine Form. This one, the last one here, is got to be 16-bit. You can use whatever resolution you want, square, vertical. You can change this around here. This one was designed in a square, so you can I'll just pop that into a square there. Doesn't change anything, and then add this to the render queue, and then just when it renders, it will come out with no background, and it will then be a video which you can just pop into OBS and just use it. Okay, that's a simple trick on how to remove the background from text and just use them like you can see up here in the top right of my screen. Thanks for watching. Speak soon.